As soon as your chemistry class starts, please tell me, man. I'll stop the class and you can log out and switch over to chemistry class. We shall again meet at क्या time बोला मैं 12:15 as soon as you are done with chemistry class. We will do this way only for this week so that थोड़ा syllabus अच्छा होगा. See, I'm troubling you or I'm troubling you this way only because my intention is I want to finish off the syllabus by March 31st. That's only my intention. So that I want all AP Telangana students to prepare for the board exams. I think apna class mein more than 24 those who are attending class every day. I think around 15, 16 are from Telangana board. Am I correct, Saidur Rahman?
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Zaid, am I correct? Sikbatullah, am I correct? Nalgonda.
Yes, sir, you are correct, sir.
How many are from non-Telangana board? एक
Sir, I am.
Jasim है.
Yes, sir, I am from non-Telangana, sir. CBSE.
Yeah, I know Jasim is there, Isa Kamza is there, and Sofian करके और एक भी है ना अपने क्लास में.
Yes, sir, he is also from. He's. I
Telangana
think he's
board.
studying. Yes, sir, he is studying in Telangana board, sir. I think.
Abdul Wasi, you are not from Telangana board.
He's from Telangana board.
Telangana board only, sir. he also.
आपको आईपी क्लासेस कब से स्टार्ट करते कहते कुछ बोले?
नहीं करते बोल रहे हैं, सर.
नहीं करते बोल रहे. वो क्या हिसाब है जी? And you have one more exam on April 1st, 2nd, 3rd में एक दिन एक एग्जाम रहता जी.
एग्जाम, सर.
वो भी बोर्ड का एग्जाम है. वो साइंस एंड सिविलाइजेशन करके एक एग्जाम रहता. वो एग्जाम कंपलसरी है. All the first year students should write that exam. For that exam you need to submit some project work also. कोई नहीं बोले ये बात?
नहीं बोले, सर.
एक बार कॉलेज को पूछ के देखो.
ओके सर, पूछ के.
I don't know whether they are conducting that exam this year or not, but you have an exam of that kind.
सर
बोलो.
सर मेंस में हाईएस्ट परसेंटाइल क्या आया सर ये बार?
4 अटेम्प्ट है ना जी. वो लोग they were not prepared for January exam, but still I think exam highest percentile is 99.94 कुछ है. जबरदस्त परसेंटाइल है. Half of them got more than 90, but still they are all disappointed today. आज क्लास में कोई आवाज ही नहीं दे रहा था. They were all disappointed. पूरे बैड मूड में है. घर में बैठ के नहीं पढ़े जी. अब tell me how many of you are reading sincerely and honestly at home, man? Nobody is there to observe. Nobody is there to look after you. There is no pressure. There is nobody to monitor you. होमवर्क करे क्या, फॉर्मूलाज पढ़े क्या, ये बुक से ये करे क्या, वो बुक से ये करे क्या? Is anybody asking you? No. All these things you have to do on your own. That's what I was talking to them. Their result would have been definitely much more better than what it is being reflected now if all those guys were in hostel, or not even hostel, even day scholar, live classes. Just 3 days back, I think today is Wednesday, Saturday evening or Saturday evening, they all started coming to hostel. Am I correct or not? Live classes, non-live classes. Is there a difference?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Can I clear this off? It's not your class. Just write the formula. Just quick recall. A bar and B bar are adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Implies what's the area? बच्चे लोग क्विक रिकॉल, कल जो पढ़े उसका
Sir.
रिकॉल.
Mod A bar cross B bar.
पैरेललोग्राम एरिया बोलो मैम. Two triangle.
Half mod A bar cross B bar.
Half mod A bar cross B bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is delta ABC?
Half mod A bar is AB bar cross BC bar.
This is also half mod A cross B, B cross C, C cross A. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is sin theta formula?
Sir, A cross B by mod A bar cross B bar. Yes. Sorry, sir. Mistaken.
What is A bar cross B bar?
So,
IJK A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. You know how to expand this. What is the unit vector? Unit vector perpendicular to plane ABC.
Yes, sir. A bar cross B bar by modulus
A
of.
bar cross AC bar by
Yes, sir.
mod AB bar cross AC bar. In fact, plus or minus. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Non-Jasims respond करो man. Hello, respond man.
Yes, sir.
And perpendicular distance from CC bar to line joining A of A bar and B of B bar. So chalo, I think it is A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A by modulus of A bar minus B bar. Am I correct? I am not writing all the points, I am just revising some of them.
Yes,
And
sir.
what's the area of parallelogram ABCD? Area of parallelogram whose diagonals are AC bar and BD bar, half mod AC bar cross BD bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
And finally, area of quadrilateral ABCD. I think this was also half mod AC cross BD. Am I correct, man? बच्चे लोग am I correct? चलो, we shall continue. A bar is any non-zero vector, and if modulus of बोलो मैन
3.
3 or 2? Let A bar be xi plus yj plus zk man. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
So what will be A bar cross I bar? I j k x y z, that is for A bar. What does I bar stands for?
100.
So I into I coefficient, j coefficient, k coefficient. Correct me if I am wrong. Am I correct, man?
Correct, sir.
Am I
Correct.
correct, man?
Correct, sir.
What is A bar cross I bar? 0 into I, z into j, minus y into k.
Yes.
So what will be modulus of A bar cross I bar? Under root of
That square.
square plus z square plus minus y whole square.
Yes, sir.
So what is modulus of A bar cross I bar whole square?
Z square plus y square.
Z square plus y square. How many such terms I have?
3.
So what is sigma of modulus of A bar cross I bar whole square? Sigma of z square plus y square. First term आया z square plus y square. Second term y and z. First term. Second term.
X and y.
Third term
Zx.
z and x. So how many x? How many y? How many z?
2x,
2x,
2y,
2y, 2z. I don't have place. I'm writing at the top. So what will I get, man? Am I correct? I'm writing here. Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
So this is 2 times. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So what's the value of lambda?
2.
Shall I? Pay attention, man. What is A bar cross B bar? बोलो man.
Mod A mod B sin A comma.
So A bar cross B bar minus A bar cross C bar is null vector. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Your A bar is on the left hand side. So A bar cross. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
When is cross product is zero?
When
Linear.
both vectors are parallel.
Cross product is null vector if and only if vectors are parallel
Parallel.
or collinear. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
A bar equal to B bar minus.
Therefore, B bar minus C bar is parallel to A bar. Am I correct?
So,
Yes, sir.
Whenever two vectors are parallel, one can be written as linear times the other. Am I correct?
so
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
B
Lambda
bar
A bar.
bar.
B bar equal to lambda A bar plus C bar.
plus C bar.
A very, very important method in solving problems. Na? Same idea executed. Simple one-liner. I'm waiting for the answer. Answer man. Answer man.
3i plus j minus 3.
Correct. Just add both of them.
Yes, sir.
Same this one man. B bar is equal to C bar plus lambda A bar. What is your B bar equal to? ठीक है? Correct है?
Yes, sir. A bar into r bar minus.
Cross product. A bar right hand side में है. A bar here. A bar left में है. Here A bar right में है. So how you will take common? R bar minus B bar, correct. Cross A bar is equal to null vector. Am I correct one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
R minus B lambda A. R is
R.
equal to B bar plus lambda A bar. Am I correct one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right hand side. R cross B. Next, R minus A. Next, R minus A. Some TB bar. R bar is equal to. Am I correct? Call this as 1. Call this as 2. 1 and 2 के LHS same है. 1 and 2 के LHS same है. Will RHS be same?
Yes.
Therefore, from 1 and 2, what do we have? B bar plus lambda A bar equal to. Comparing coefficients of like vectors. What's the coefficient of A bar left hand side?
Lambda.
Lambda, lambda.
Right hand side coefficient of A bar,
Mm.
coefficient of B bar left hand side,
So 1.
right hand side.
T.
So substitute either T1 or lambda 1. T1 or lambda 1 implies what's the point of intersection? Put lambda 1 A bar plus B bar. Put T1 A bar plus B bar. Am I correct? What
Yes.
is A bar plus B bar? 1 1 0 plus 2 0 minus 1. 3 1 minus 1 stands for 3i follow plus j.
Minus 3.
Any doubts? Any questions?
No doubts.
No doubts.
Problem is lengthy than the solution. What is given? Choose A bar as origin man. Problem खत्म हो जाएगा. इसको origin बना दो. What is your B? AB bar.
That is equal to
AB
A bar.
bar. AC bar.
2A bar plus 3B bar.
By hypothesis, what do we have? Area of quadrilateral
ABCD is P times the area of parallelogram with
P into area of parallelogram with
sides AB and AD.
AB bar, AD bar as adjacent sides. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is area of quadrilateral ABCD, man?
Two triangles cross product half into.
What's the area of quadrilateral ABCD?
Half.
कुछ लिखे ना अपन फॉर्मूला पॉइंट नंबर 22 था शायद देखो हाफ मॉड्यूलस
A-
ऑफ
A bar
between diagonals. Am I correct? बच्चों लोग am I correct?
yes, sir.
Right hand side P into half of AB and AD as adjacent sides. हाफ है नहीं है पैरेललोग्राम एरिया में आई थिंक हाफ नहीं है शायद
No half, sir. No half.
In triangle it is half, sir.
हाँ पैरेललोग्राम में नो हाफ फिर क्वाड्रिलेटरल को हाफ रहता
Yes,
डायगोनल दिया तो हाफ रहता
yes, sir.
नाउ half of what is AC bar
2A bar
position
plus
vector of C minus position vector of A position
2
vector of
bar plus 3
minus
by
position
bar.
vector of A 2A bar
plus 3B bar.
B
Position
bar
vector of D minus position vector of B.
B bar 1 2 bar.
P into AB bar AD bar A bar cross B bar simplify
P equal to 5/2.
Answer man. बच्चे लोग
Sir,
answer
5/2. P equal to 5/2.
half of this is 2 times A bar cross B bar. Next minus 2 times A bar cross A bar plus 3
3
times
into B bar cross B bar.
Next
3
minus
into B
3
bar
times B bar cross A
A
bar
bar.
is equals to P times, or this is not cross product, this is P into modulus of A bar cross B bar. This is null vector, this is null vector. What is minus 3B cross A? Reverse. This reverse minus sign will become plus
Less 3A cross B.
5/2 into these two will cancel off. What's the value of P?
5/2.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. If 2A bar plus 3B bar
सर
बोलो
केमिस्ट्री क्लास
क्या बोले
केमिस्ट्री क्लास
चलो क्या
यस
you can drop off join chemistry class
ओके सर
drop
Yes,
off
sir.
join chemistry class and come back by 12:15 man drop off join by 12:15